have an options to move out, but I thought of, I want to be here because of my daughter enjoying here and she's learning good things. At the end of the day, yeah. So she's from last 8 to 9 months. She changed a lot. What we have seen. That's where last 8 months experience. The good thing. Um, thing is, other thing is. So should be just for like newcomers for us. We don't know exactly, what is the organization because still we are very short term here. Bring more trust actually. So that's where I see actually. Yeah. So say like is this organization? I mean, people are like really believing this. I think we really grow well.
Excellent. Thank you. And what would you like to see, like what improvements we can make as part of this Mahi? So based on your thoughts,
We are
do
still
you- do
short time
yeah,
here.
but you can you can think of it, and you can let me know. So whatever changes you would like to do, like changes or
So,
any
yeah,
additional things if
things,
you
yeah.
wanted to
Uh-huh.
include,
Yeah.
how the children can move on. Yeah.
So in terms of improvements, so I find as of now, like I'm feel so happy, but still trying to understand.
Correct. Correct.
I may not understand now, but I need a bit more.
I
Give
think
me
it
some
needs
time
bit
thinking.
more
Yeah.
understanding
Yeah.
from the parents also.
Exactly.
That's very important. So, what's your
Yeah,
experience?
my name is Anmatra. Yeah, we recently moved to Reading actually.
Okay.
So my son is going to RE class. He's attending RE students. So it's very useful actually. Initially, he said he reluctant to go to classes. One first class he attended, then he thought, okay, so sharing and caring of everything here, knowledge sharing, everything is happening. So he took interest and he is attending the classes actually. It's very
Excellent.
useful actually. Yeah.
Super.
Also, I appreciate your all the activities actually. So I've recently moved here and I've seen a lot of things are happening. Yoga day, you conducted yoga day, and in Basingstoke also, so a lot of activities are happening actually.
Yeah. Basingstoke similar to this one. Mahi, the group is there, so they are also helping around 30 to 40 children, and the parents also actively engaged. Because
I just
it's
want to know how this is formatted actually. So how this my
yeah,
information
definitely, yeah,
is.
sure, definitely, I will give
just want
a
to
brief
know.
about, so that will help.
Also, in future, I would like to join
Volunteer
as
as
a
well.
volunteer and then do something.
Super, yeah,
Yeah.
congratulations. Give me a clap.
I've done few volunteers with my own actually. So
Okay.
in Norwich, when I was in Norwich, I've done some for children,
Oh,
street
you were
children.
in Norwich before. Okay.
For street children, sleep. We slept outside
Okay.
whole night, and we got some money, collected money.
Hmm.
I've done for that. And,
Congratulations, very good.
Healthy walking.
Good
We have
cause.
done healthy walking. I conducted healthy walking in Norwich with all the colleagues, office colleagues. So those kind of stuff I have done. So
Perfect. We are in the same page. Excellent.
so I just want to know more about this Mahi and then
The Manvata, what activities?
what
Definitely.
activities,
Yeah.
other than volunteering. Are you doing any other things in terms of education or anything?
Correct.
So I just want to know.
Sure, definitely. I will share about it. And
My daughter Nikita has started to come here from the last 3-4 months, and she has improved a lot in changing her habits, like eating good things. Already we are doing it. Anyway, there's lots more to learn further. So whatever it is for a kid, for us itself, it's a little bit tough to change new things, to accept a new thing. So for kids, it takes maybe 6 months or 1 month, 1 year to change the small things. But after listening to you and mingling with people here, she started changing many things just like that. Even saying slokas at home, it's really tough. She'll say when she has mood only. But since they are doing it regularly, she gets the mood easily to do it on her own. She gets the interest on her own. So those many positive changes in her like that. And even with the classes, it's very helpful because the here
how in terms of the health wise, how she is improved into physical health, fitness, and yoga.
Yeah,
How?
she likes. Since the yoga is she's doing here every week, she likes to do at home. Whenever she wants to, she will do it. Like she feels she needs to be active, so those things are going inside her mind properly.
Yeah.
And food wise also, she has improved a lot. Like okay, I should not those things which she
Correct.
said we
The
should not
basic,
mix and
basic.
eat, because they tend to eat the food and immediately they feel like hungry, they want one fruit, immediately they'll keep asking for something, give me this that. So when I say okay, give 1 hour gap, and then I will give her, okay, she will accept it, because kids won't accept easily these things.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
at least that acceptance has come. Okay, fine, I will wait for 1 hour, after that I'll ask something. Okay, so those things and all, and now itself they are knowing, we are knowing only in this age, at least in this age they are, so it will be a lot of benefit for them.
Correct. Correct.
So those things are all very beneficial here, and yeah, as everyone, I'll also like to volunteer, but I have one more small kid, he's not allowing me to do, so I spend more time outside. So whenever I'm able to do it, I would like
Yeah,
to do
so
it.
thank you. And already you're doing some work. It's good. Thank you for doing it.
For events and all, she used to come forward and do. For events, if you have any events, she comes and helps them.
Yeah, that's the only
So
limit
and the
that
most important thing is through volunteering, whatever we do, that is a major thing the children will learn from us. Okay, so this is the way we have to spend our time. Yes, they know the value of the time, the value of life through this humanitarian work, the thoughts you have, particularly share. This is very very important to make them to move right direction. Excellent, thank you. And you guys?
I'm taking Tamil class here. They started only one kid was there, but now 3, 4, I think. It's good improvement.
Excellent.
Nothing else.
Your
My
kid is.
kid, no, I have 2 kids.
You're volunteering. I think we should give a big clap to her. Super. Yeah. So it's either you share the knowledge, maybe.
Your kids not only have to join.
She used to come. Actually, my daughter, she used to come, but now she's losing her interest. She doesn't want to do it. But anyway, she's doing daily yoga at home. So me and my husband, we both are doing at home. So seeing
Super.
that she is also doing every day. So
That's very important.
more than that, I don't want to force her.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
hope in future one day she will come.
she's taken a break. They have
How
been coming
old
for a
is she?
long time.
She's 8 years old.
80.
My son is 2. He's just 4 years.
Yeah.
But anyway, he also
Yeah, this is the flexibility and learning these healthy and eco-friendly things, and those things are key important things, so that they get more responsibility. They understand things, social responsibility. Yeah, excellent. Super. And you said.
Hello, my name is Rekha. My son started this my classes from January. I don't know. He is not liking much. I mean, he doesn't like yoga. He doesn't like Hindi. he only likes chess. Chess
Chess,
class.
mhm.
But he's continuing everything just because he has to come for chess.
So,
He does,
yeah.
but I can't say he likes. He does Surya Namaskara sometimes at home. He has learned all the steps, and he is a good eater. He does it all the healthy things. But he is not keen to come for classes. We might stop for a term and then see he wishes to join us.
yeah. So any good things normally it's like initially it's like bitter. So slowly they'll understand. They will understand the value when they experience
Yeah,
the
I-
taste of it
Yeah, I
automatically.
will suggest you because my daughter, I'm every time on Sunday, I'm forcing her to come here, and now she's,
Initially,
Yeah, it should
it's
be
required.
same
It
with every
requires
kid.
every kid.
Usually,
Every
yeah.
kid. It's not only your kid.
Yeah.
Every kid generally have a resistance. No, forget about kid. About us. So generally we have we
Yeah,
tend
slowly
to
they will
tend to
come.
do the
They
other
just
things
take their own time.
easily. And good things always you think twice and so that way it happens. It's a natural tendency. But yeah, once you go ahead a step and see the long term pleasure whatever you experience, so that becomes habit. So yeah, and good
Yeah,
things always
one
better.
thing I wanted to add, like that kids need some interest, because she said no for chess here, son is coming, so they need
Correct.
some
One
interest
are
in
the
the
one are
class.
the
Any
yeah.
one class is there
Either
to have.
one class. Okay, if this is
Yeah.
interested, slowly, to take that interest and bring to the other mainstream of activities. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, keep that up. Yeah, it's challenging. I know it's not easy, but yeah, initially we have to handle it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we have been incoming like 10 plus family from January. I would say, but generally we are like, we do most of the things like, drinking water and healthy
Correct.
kind of living. My
And both
son-
of you, in fact, the volunteering, which is
No, no, she is doing some Telugu classes and I'm
Yeah.
just coming as
He's supporting
nominal
daily every
help.
week.
Yeah,
He brings
that
us
is
here.
important. Yeah.
Thanks for volunteering.
Every
Nisha.
week he brings us here, bro. He'll stay with us.
Yeah,
He'll
definitely.
be with us.
So this is your volunteering more important,
Yeah.
more important. Taking care of
I-
kids.
I mean,
Yes.
okay, I don't know.
Actually, it's really because I don't think other husbands do this. Yeah.
Only few of them
Yes,
really
yes.
spend time for these things, and definitely good.
I don't know, I'll be taking much time, but the primary reason was I think I knew about Manavta maybe even
2 years back,
yeah,
Manata.
almost two,
When
3
they
years back.
started, I think.
Because I know
Yeah.
Nataraj family,
Hmm.
coming. But I don't know, at that time my
Yes,
son-
Rujna.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Hmm.
That time
We
my
know them
little
from
one is
India.
only just 1 year, so we thought of we can't come from Newbury to Reading every
But-
week bringing him.
So I don't know, my kind of, our kind of mentality or kind of living is like, we always miss India. So it's like, it's always like you're in, whether you want to be here or there. So when I actually made a decision to take British passport, something, should be there, for them to, this is the correct I see, like, Manavta is a very good platform for where, we can give as, he said, like, the culture, to know the values and whatever, in whatever form, like puja, slokas, or
Yoga.
that's my main, takeaway from Manavta actually. And we do, as I said, we do, I do yoga, she does some yoga at home.
Actually, 1 or 2 times Vidyadhar sir has shown the puja vidhanam also. He brought all the
Oh, okay.
God
Yeah.
photos, everything. Which sloka when to do, while Deeparavana, which sloka we need to do, and
Yeah.
at the time of Harati, which sloka, and at the time of Ganga Jalam.
There's a process actually.
Yeah,
The one of these chapters in
he taught
Purna
the
Vidya.
children how to do the puja vidhanam.
Okay.
And also healthy living, I think is the basic main. We have to make them know
Yeah.
how to
Correct.
eat, what to eat, what kind of
Awareness,
what type of food they have to eat. Because these days, I think everything from canned processed food. I can't say, I can't make me what till date from past 9 years I didn't use the canned food till now, because the first thing I thought that I should not use any processed food for my kids, because they are my kids. They should have good health. I can give only values and good health for them.
Perfect.
Rest all they have in their hands.
Correct. Yeah.
That is main
Anything
motto
they
of
can
us.
learn. What
Yeah.
as a parent we can
We
give
have
them.
to give, yeah,
We have to
everything by
give. That's
experience
our
they
experience.
learn.
And that our.
Initially, he used to do yoga for half an hour or something, because he observed us doing yoga. Okay, only breathing. He started initially with breathing and everything, anulom, vilom, and breathing. After coming here from past 6 months, daily, regularly, half an hour is spending on yoga. Morning, he wakes up at 6 o'clock, 6:15. He'll wake up, he'll drink water, he'll go to potty and everything. He'll come back, he'll do yoga, everything. Half an hour he's spending on yoga daily.
Very
after
good.
coming to Mahi sessions.
Wonderful.
That's the improvement is there. And basic, we are not perfect living, but we are used to drink water, 1 liter of water morning every hour before having lunch, and after we'll give the break for water. He know from the age of 3 he learned that thing. So he's following the same. After coming here, he learned more value about food and water.
Even
Yeah.
I have increased my intake of water.
Water,
Like
yeah.
morning, like, I used to take 1 liter, I have taken 1.5.
Mm.
And I can see
Increase.
Correct.
it's helping me actually. And yeah, like any other growing child, he's in that state like where he does what she said, all that, but he has a bit of knowing, that. So we are kind of at that stage. So,
So yeah, because see the one side the good values going, but other side you have to see like how the society and the media is impacting. So because of that we have to put more efforts to make this impact more when we join together and you tell them okay this is the value of it, and then they believe it more, because if you are telling as a parent every day the board up.
Impact of society in the sense, I have an example. Like one day I sent my children to a school friend's birthday party. Then from the sorry, from KFC they are the children want to walk themselves to the park. So while coming he said like some two boys are having money and they bought some fizzy drinks. He told that if we drink even one drop, it will get more energy. My son is saying that he got the information from the friends. So I just tried.
Nah, influence they because see they even in advertisements they do, so they get from advertisement, they don't know they're getting cheated by this
This
media.
is the age they get so influenced with
Easily,
other
yeah.
things
Yeah.
easily that they
yeah.
don't know what's good and what's bad.
Correct,
So
correct.
we are as actually after coming for Mahi session we thought of okay he'll be in good group our group, but after coming here knowing about these values we thought we are very lucky to have this group in Reading. We are very lucky to have such a group.
See, the more of the people joining, the values they have, the holiness they have, that is where more impact created. So you all have such a great values and great thoughts. That great thoughts are getting accumulated here. So that is how this group education helps us. Okay, all the great values, because we are thinking in the same manner, and then making sure that okay these, because thought is more powerful than words. So whatever you think, all the thoughts joining together and passing it to kids, which is very very valuable. Yeah. So all the way coming from Newberry, it's really appreciated. No, thank you very much for that.
No, actually for this we have to come. We want to come.
Yeah, so the more good people joins, more that more better it is, because the we have to have more good thoughts, you know. So that the thought, the first thing is nowadays the thought pollution. So much of thought pollution is going on from children also. Lot of thought pollution. See how many bad thinkings and thought pollution. So that has to go out from our mind, and also the pollution has to be removed from like how we are saying about the healthy food. Similarly, healthy thoughts, which is very very important. Mm. Thank you. And you yourself.
Yeah, my name is Sudeja. Actually, I'm doing volunteer here from last 2 years, and I'm a Hindi teacher.
Oh, great. Thank you, Suteja. So that's great.
Actually,
Consistently
not only
volunteering for
my
2 years is
daughter,
good.
but I could see in other children also they are learning good Hindi,
Hmm.
good improvement. They started reading, even they are writing. But yeah, speaking we should improve because there is no environment to speak Hindi here. So
Are
do some
you
efforts to
are you making them to
yeah,
interact
they are
in?
interacting, but it's not a very comfortable
I think once they
environment.
go
Only
out,
this
yeah.
half an hour it's not sufficient because back of the
I know, but in terms of the making the interactions, probably once they come to a stage, so you can teach the basic words. What's your name? So
yeah, they know.
those.
From level one only,
Okay.
we ask them to introduce yourself. Like they could tell their name
Okay.
and age and all that things, kind of
Basic things.
introduction. But at level 4, children they can speak, but they know gender and all those things.
Yeah, it's fine.
They cannot do
Yeah,
that.
it's
But
alright.
if,
So
like in India,
that
if you
needs
stay in India
experience.
and if you live in a Bombay, it's like automatic.
Correct.
You will learn Hindi. You never know how you learn.
Hmm.
And
That
learn
environment-
English in this country.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
it's not our language, but they speak.
Yeah, very easily. Yeah.
So that environment is really not here. We cannot create that, but we are trying.
How about these the values and yoga? These practices going on with the.
Yeah, for my daughter, I think not for me also. I started doing yoga every day. That's
Excellent.
a good improvement. And for my daughter, actually, sometimes she feel like, as she was saying, like not that enthusiastic to come over here. But few days, I was just explaining how yoga will help her in her future. Then, like I have given her yesterday, we were talking about Olympic, like swimming. as a game, then those swimmer who are champions, they are also doing some kind of exercise. Because just knowing swimming won't be a, you won't be a champion.
Hmm.
You have to do certain exercise, right? And they were doing some yoga push-ups or something like that. So then she realized, yeah, at that extent yoga will
Correct.
help her.
Yeah.
Then she was
So that
very
is a
much hit and
kind
pain.
of a giving a right exposure
If
in
they are
the time. Yeah.
interested in certain areas, we should just give certain path, like this is going to help you in your interest.
Correct, correct.
So there may be a turning point to just do yoga without fail.
Super. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm Shallu. We just started recently come here. Probably this is 2.5 months now.
Okay.
Not that much keen into. My daughter is 4 years now. And she's too young to all the
So
time.
she's attending.
Doing yoga at the moment.
Uh-huh.
And Hindi classes just started actually.
Super.
It's going. It's good actually.
Well,
Yeah.
okay.
Just we are teaching some right way.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Jayanti, you want to share anything on the overall how you are getting organized, what you are thinking of doing better?
Actually, from feedback from parents, they feel that some children feel that there's too many classes. So they think that there's too many others come next. So losing interest by the time it comes at the end. Because it starts at 1:45 and Telugu, then Hindi, then Purna Vidya, yoga. So then last 5 to 6 we have chess also. So too many classes. Some people feel like children also is difficult. So we need to see some way to make them
Balance, but the most key priorities, whatever you feel, okay, these are the key priorities, we must make it, and then some of them maybe we can offer something like that. We have to balance. Yeah, we'll.
Time is not sufficient, especially for the language classes.
Hmm.
Half an hour is more to cover.
Correct,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's going just like that to make
Make it 45 minutes or even 1 hour, I think it's better.
Yeah, definitely. I think each class 45 minutes.
At the moment I get 40 minutes, but if everybody comes on time, it will be good. But
Yeah.
then everybody come and sit, then it will be 15 minutes over by the time.